know, this is a time of year where we're reminded of all kinds of powerful stories and powerful myths related to the holidays. You know, one of the great stories of Hanukkah is how the oil lasted not just one single day as they anticipated, but for 8 whole nights. Or the story of the Magi following that star to reach Bethlehem. And if you think about it, successful organizations have myths of their own. One of my favorite is this: whether or not Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak actually built the first Apple computer in Steve Jobs' garage is irrelevant. It's a powerful story, and it has all kinds of implications with respect to being innovative and having ingenuity that's core to the Apple ethos to this day. So from your organization's perspective, think about how you can create stories and how you can create myths that help to perpetuate the culture that you want in order to be more successful.